Okay, so we're in this place right here. This is the, what's this one called? MGM. So MGM says art camp today, and we have this pretty cool architecture. So we're just gonna show you some of the colors, and then you can see this goes right up like this, all the way up like that. So it's kind of cool. And then inside we have a fish tank. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Inside we have a fish tank. So we're just gonna show you a little bit of the periphery part. The walls are just black and white. And for some reason there's something called an art camp today. But you can also see some of these sides. It looks like they're signing in for the art camp. Let's just see. Art camp. So it looks like they're sign-ins for it. Macau Cultural Designs. Okay, so let's just kind of try to capture some cool images right here. This would be a perfect picture right here. And actually, that girl looks kind of cool too. So we're just going to capture this whole thing right here. And we're just going to go a little closer. Oh, you see this ladder right here? This ladder, they go in and they feed this fish tank. So I think it's like every day at 3 o'clock, I think. Let's just kind of go in and see some of the fish. Gonna get close to them. So you can see all these fish, right? Good design, some really fast like that. Something like that. Goes all the way up. So let's just step back a little bit, and then we're going to show you some of the sides. So we have, so all this is like an art display. It's been here before, and then they changed it sometimes. So let's just kind of show you what some of it is. So we're just going to view a little bit. And over here is kind of a more Portuguese one, Godiva. I just want to film a little bit in here. Show you what it looks like. If I had a zoom camera, I could zoom in on some of this. It's pretty interesting. Okay, so we're just gonna show some of the sides. So it's all the way up. Looks like. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna turn around a little bit, and we're gonna go up to the top here. Try to find some good camera angle stuff like this. This will probably be an interesting camera angle. I think one of my new approaches is going to be try to find what I think would be a photogenic shot. So we're just going to go up. These lights are So as we go up the stairs, you can see this kind of how the art design looks. And once you're up here, there's a big giant lion. With roots. Okay, let's see. So this is what it looks like. And actually you can walk over here. Actually, we might walk over there. When you walk into that space, it's looks a little bit fake. And up here you can see through these big windows, right? Let's just kind of go up a little bit more. So a giant lion. It's kind of Portuguese murals. Nice detail. Riding a lion. Looking at a dragon lionfish or something. Definitely another view here. But what I want to do is go through and show you some of this lobby. So these those windows are what you see from down below. And when you're in here, it feels very kind of echoey, hollowish. Floors are a little bit garish. But you have these chairs that look a little bit uncomfortable, but grand. And I think that you can oh, you can't open it up, but this is what it looks like from in here. Can you see that? So it looks like you can't really, it's just for show. So it's from show from the bottom, but up here it's like not really that much. But it's interesting anyways. Here's another shot. Plastic. Grand chair. Okay. So, let's just take a look at this art thing right here. Portuguese artist. This is the one that we just saw down below. And this is what it says. Portuguese artist, Joanna is the creator behind Valkyrie Octopus. Okay. More artwork. This must be her. Pretty cool. Oh no, maybe a different one. Different person. Okay. So maybe we'll conclude here. This is the Guangdong VIP Club. Oops, sorry. She says no cameras. Okay, let's get the camera over here. So now we can go on top of everything and that looks really, actually from this angle it looks really amazing. Then you got this big grand window. I'm going to conclude here in a minute, but I just want to stop like right there. That's a pretty cool shot. If I had my camera, I would take a shot right there. Pretty cool. Okay, we'll stop right there. I think I'm going to film this one last thing. These are some of the artwork. They're talking about it. Valkyrie Octopus. Another angle. Photographer. I guess these are some people that photograph it. Put it up. Pretty cool one.